So I went to the dentist and I got there about 25 minutes too early and they're closed for lunch. And you know what? Magnolia's there. I haven't been there in probably 20 years. And the dentist I went to was recommended. It was worth the drive. But you know what? Let's go inside because I have 20 minutes to do something. Okay, so you and I are just going to kind of walk through and look. This is a consignment store. Basically, it's old stuff, but it's a mix. It's kind of like going to a swap meet that's open every day, but nobody's there. So you would grab whatever you want off the shelf and you would take it to the front and you'd pay for the item. And then, oh, look at that bowl. Do you know I've got a bunch of those? And you would pay for it and then they pay the person that has the little cubby hole there. So let's see what they've got. Like I said, I'm in a hurry. So if I'm going a little fast, it's because I still have to get to the dentist in about 15 minutes. So we don't have a lot of time. And I don't know if I'll make it back here to do this again. All right, so this is a nice place to look for something that would be out of the ordinary, something you're not going to find at Target or Walmart or any of the stores. You're going to kind of look around. It's basically unique stuff. Look at that. Everything is $29. Oh, if I had time, I want to go through and see if they've got any hummingbirds. Though I have hummingbird rings and I don't wear them. But still, there's a lot of stuff here. All of it, vintage jewelry. So it's going to be a mix of silver and whatever. It could be just white metal. So each one of these cubby holes are rented out monthly by somebody. Now, I don't know if they have a lease. I don't know how they do that. Each type of these stores do it differently. Look at this. I mean, we could be here for days. Oh, look, this one, somebody else is coming. See? New vendor. So there's one vendor on one side and there's a vendor on the other side. This is cool. I've actually done this before. I had my own shop many years ago. And it's nice because you don't have to be there. You just kind of go in and stock it. Okay, look at all the stuff. Gotta keep going. Now, there are other people here, so I'm trying to be mindful and stay out of their way. I mean, you never know what you're going to find in a store like this. Sale. Okay, there's people in there, so we'll skip that one. Okay. Now, this could also be things that people make. It could be anything. It could be whatever they want to sell in here. Oh, this brings back memories to the point I'd almost like to do this again. It's really easy. I mean, it is a lot of work. You still have to keep everything dusted and cleaned. Look at all this stuff. Oh, look at the elephant. Can't get to the price. It's all the way on the top. So you do have to maintain it. But I just love the idea that you don't have to be there. See, there's every single one. Like in here, this is another shop. So they're individual shops. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look at the bird. Look at that. It's like a wall pocket, I think they used to call it years ago. There's a couple of them there. From the 50s, I believe. You could put a plant or scissors or whatever you want in there. Chickens, old cookbooks. Let's see what. Oh, watermelon. Oh, interesting. That's good for a gardener. You can put a pen or something on there. Cute. I mean, you could really fix up your kitchen with a lot of these vintage items. Some of them will be antiques. I think, what makes an antique? 100 years old. Oh, look at that teapot. Look at all this. Barbie dolls. I probably have enough stuff to fill one of these places. Really cute. So you have to set it up the way, you want. You get the space and then you put the shelves and brackets and everything you want in there. It's got to be to the point where you can remove it if you needed to. Okay. Now, if you're enjoying this, please tell me. If I'm wasting your time, tell me, and then I won't do this, because this has nothing really, it does have to do with gardening. because I might find something for the garden in here. And as far as hummingbirds, I might find something really unique that I could either make for the hummingbirds or put out for the hummingbirds. Hummingbirds, speaking of hummingbirds. So this place has flags. I don't see a price. Welcome. These are nice flags. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hummingbirds appear when angels are near. You know, a lot of people believe that hummingbirds are spiritual. That is beautiful. I'm going to have to think about that. It means I'd have to make a trip back if I want it, because I got to leave in a few minutes to go to the dentist. Okay. You know what that is? It's a telephone. Oh my goodness. The good old days. Okay. This is beautiful. I actually enjoy this. I got to come back and spend more time. Oh, a wall basket. Wow. So see, you see a mix of new and a mix of old, and then look. Oh, cool. A craft store and with all your craft supplies. Mineral paint. Look at that. They have the Mod Podge. Oh, there they are. They have for fabric and all. That's great. They've got it all, so you can buy it in here. So it's a mini craft store she set up, or he. Really cool. Oh, look, they have all the way in the back here. It's like they used every spot here. This is really cool. So they make these. You can see that they're made, and then they're selling, you know, llamas and different things. Okay, we're done with that. So let's look here. Really cool. What is a rooster? Whole rooster, $45. I guess you'd put something in there. I don't know exactly what that is. Old Morton salt, cats. I mean, and you'll find something, without a doubt. Look at all this stuff. So this wall is a separate shop. So everything is a separate shop. Wow. Oh, they had a bathroom. A lot of stuff here is on sale. They have clothes. So there's a separate shop in here. See, any place they can stick a shop, they're going to stick a shop. You probably pay for the size of the shop. And being that this place is not all that big, I mean, it's good size. The chances are if somebody walked in like me, even in a hurry, you'll be able to get into almost every nook and cranny to look at things. If it was really big, you would skip. So if you were all the way in the back, people might get tired and think, oh, I've seen enough. Wow. I enjoy this. It's like a garage sale. You just don't care. You don't get to talk to anybody. Just the person at the register. Oh, you can try on hats. They have a mirror here. Really cute hats. Oh, I like that. $15. A floppy hat. You know how many hats I have? And I always think I'm going to wear a hat outside. It's so important, and I forget. I run outside without a hat. So, let's see. A lot of glassware, statues, chickens. Chickens were really big in the 40s and 50s. Okay. There's a pig. That'd be cute for the garden. Old license plates. Oh, look at the photos. Old photos. Campbell's soup. The old cups. You used to get a lot of that. You'd mail away the labels, and then they'd send you things. Wow. I like the way they really cut this store up into so many pieces that it's like a maze. Oh, look at that. It literally is a maze. It's like going through a cornfield maze. You're turning and twisting around, and there's another shop. Everywhere you look, there's another one tucked behind another one. See if we can get up on top to see photos, old pictures or paintings or lithos or Oh, a sloth. Now see, we found the sloth. That's different. Let's see, framework. See birds. Don't see hummingbirds. Though we did find the flag. A couple of them. Not vintage. Let's see. You know, that is, the flags weren't vintage, but that's okay. They wouldn't be. They'd fall apart if they were being used. And eventually they wear out. They only last a year or two, if that. Okay. I mean, it's always nice if you can to walk through a place like this, because you may find, oh, look at this, your own portable bar. I don't drink. You never know what you're going to find. That's the thing. You might find something you just can't live without. Oh, look at that. Mid-century chip and dip tray. We could make a fountain out of that. Or a bird bath. Okay. This is fun. A lot of cooking stuff, you know, for the kitchen. That's the big thing. You always find stuff like that. Now you've got old tools. Literally, I can't, you know, spending 15 minutes in here is not enough. I can see that. You really need to spend a good hour or two. Hmm. You can see I wasn't prepared. I just brought my phone. Whoops. And I was just holding it. It's easier when you have something holding your camera, not just your hand. You put your hand in front of it sometimes. All right. Let's see what they've got here. Birdhouse. Vintage. A lot of coffee cups. Wow, so much stuff. Oh, I remember that. Wasn't that the prunes? Are they from the 80s? Oh, I think there's a butter churn on top. Okay. Close and open me. I'm not going to open it right now. Let's see, look at this. Oh, I don't have time to go through all this. There's another one back there. Sales. They've got books here. Okay, I'm rushing now because I know I've got to get to the dentist. All right, maybe we'll take a peek in here real quick. Cool. Cockatoo? A pink cockatoo. A couple of them. Chickens. And this has got interesting things. I just love the way you've got all these little stores tucked away. Clothes and stuff too in there. Okay, let's stay out of their way. Be grateful. Life is a gift. Very true. Really, quite a few people in this little store. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, look at all the animals. Birds. Now, they don't look new, but they could be. I mean, they could be. Oh, a hummingbird. They could be vintage. That's cute. Wind chimes. I'm not real big on wind chimes. There's enough noise with the birds in my yard, which I love. And that's all I need. Oh, $27. That's cute. So personally, I've never been into pipes clanging together. I like nature noise. A lot of glassware in here. Okay, let's see. It's getting to the point where I'm going to have to keep moving quick or I'm going to miss my dental appointment. Remember I had that tooth. I went to the dentist. I needed it pulled out. She wouldn't pull it. Oh, that is cute. Now that I like. See, it's not a wind chime. It's just the garden decor. And I like stuff like that. A lot of earrings, jewelry. So it's kind of a mix which is nice, of new and old, new and vintage. And they have a garden flag back there with a duck. No hummingbirds that I see, though I could miss it because I'm going through so quick. And that's basically it. We've done the whole store, trying to stay out of people's way. Really cool. All right, we're going to have to leave. Oh, beautiful. $38. Okay. Now, I will say, I have to admit, she saved my tooth because I wanted it pulled. She wouldn't pull it. And I know I'm going back there and we'll see what she says and I'll let you know. And off we go to the dentist. So she rechecked it. Yes, it's chipped, but she said it has nothing to do with the nerve. She said the root, the tooth looks really good. Right now she wants to leave it alone. She said it was some sort of trauma. Maybe I grinded my teeth or bit down on something. So we're gonna watch it. All is good. If you enjoyed this, please let me know and I'll stop again when I'm somewhere and walk around and we'll see what you think. So have a great day. That was fun. I enjoyed that. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody. And she came recommended to me, and I most certainly would recommend her to anybody too.